Quote, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
I never thought that the day that would never come actually came. So if you can't tell by now, I'm really happy with the fact that Johnny Depp won his court case against Amber Heard. All for 6 years leading up to this moment, and the justice that he was asking for, well, he finally got it. I've been following this for over 2 years now, and I'd say it was worth it. From the nasty ones to even the nastier ones, the only thing that matters here is the truth. When we thought that we were gonna lose all hope from the UK court trial verdict, Fairfax did something that the UK High Courts couldn't: give out the truth and give out justice. Unfortunately, Johnny Depp was not present in court that day, but he has made a statement in regards to his verdict. 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the life of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many years have supported and believed in me, were forever changed, all in the blink of an eye. False, very serious and criminal allegations were levied at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content. Although no charges were ever brought against me, it had already traveled around the world twice within a nanosecond, and it had a seismic impact on my life and my career. And 6 years later, the jury gave my life back. I am truly humbled. My decision to pursue this case, knowing very well that the height of the legal hurdles that I would be facing and the inevitable worldwide spectacle into my life, was only made after considerable thought. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth, regardless of the outcome. Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing that I have finally accomplished that. I am and have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and the colossal support and kindness from around the world. I hope that my quest to have the truth be told will have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never give up. I also hope that the position will now return to innocent until proven guilty, both within the courts and within the media. I wish to acknowledge the noble work of the judge, the jurors, the court staff, and the sheriffs who have sacrificed their own time to get to this point, and to my diligent and unwavering legal team who did an extraordinary job in helping me to share the truth. The best is yet to come, and a new chapter has finally begun. Veritas numquam perit, truth never perishes. I agree with Johnny Depp in this statement, especially when it comes to bringing out the truth. It's hard to bring out your own pieces of evidence, especially when you're accused of such heinous things. You need to have hard proof that this happened and that happened, or else the judge or the jury will probably dismiss you. Bringing out evidences is just as important as bringing out the truth to the court, or really, keeping all evidences and receipts in general. And I really liked how Johnny Depp addressed this with such class. No malice, no insults, no nothing. Just him stating the facts. Just like how Johnny Depp made his own statements on Instagram, Amber Heard too made her own statements on Twitter, and this is what she has to say. The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidences still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously. I believe Johnny's attorney succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. I'm sad I lost this case, but I am sadder still that I seem to have lost the right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly. Geez, talk about this kind of moment right here. Now, first of all, this case isn't about you having your freedom of speech be taken away. You wrote an op-ed about your ex-husband with no further evidences whatsoever. You rely a lot on your lies and hearsay, which isn't really helping anything. You wrote this op-ed with actual malice because you wanted to destroy his life. You wanted everything, and I mean everything, to be taken away from his life because you wanted to have more power and money. You mocked him, you defamed him, you hurted him, you ruined his life, and you ruined his career in Hollywood. You, Amber Heard, are an embarrassment to all DV survivors. The fact that you and the Sun won victorious in the UK court trial, well, that was rigged to begin with. You never won. You adjusted everything to be in your favor. Karma comes biting you on the back, and when it does, it's gonna bite hard. Although you don't have a career anymore, you can always start a new one. Just sign this job application and you're pretty much set for life. But let's be realistic here for a second. Even if Amber Heard provided these evidences to the jury, her evidences are just pretty weak compared to Johnny Depp's. He has photos, medical records, audio recordings, people that testified for him who actually knew him, and actual medical professionals. And the only evidences that Amber Heard can provide to the court are her fake bruises with, makeup, and a video of her recording Johnny Depp at his angriest moment. Now, Johnny Depp can sleep sound tonight because he finally got the truth out to the world and destroyed his ex-wife. Also, one last thing to Amber Heard.
You will always remember this as the day that you almost caught Captain Jack Sparrow.
So that's all I really have to say. Also, please like and subscribe, by the way. I've been following this case for over 2 years now, and it can be really exhausting. I'ma take a rest, and I'ma go on a camping trip. Oh my god, it's Johnny Depp. What are you doing here?
Hello, son. I got lost and didn't found my bodyguards. You mind if I stay here?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, son.
So what's up with you nowadays?
I've never felt this better in my life. I got a role on Hollywood again and I've sparked a flame with someone recently.
Oh, okay.
To be honest, these past 6 years has been such a burden for me to carry. I'm just glad that the weight on my shoulders has been lifted and I can be relieved again. All the pain, all the hate, all the fake people, and all of the false allegations, gone. I have nothing else to worry about other than myself. But in the end, I got the truth out to the world and that's all that matters.
I feel you, man. I feel you.
Thanks for lending an ear, son.
Yeah. Let's just watch the sunset together.
Sure thing.
This isn't fair. This isn't fucking fair. I did everything in my power to destroy that man and he still won in the end? Oh well, let's start filming you guys. Hey Jason, wanna flirt again? Hey James, am I gonna be badass again? Hey everyone, I'm the beautiful Mara, ha 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 ha, love you guys, ha 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 ha, for real.